Good and welcome to Hands Money Making class. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can send money using Skrill. And so, one of the things again you need to understand here, last time we spoke about deposit method. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can send money to someone in another country using Skrill without the person having a Skrill account. The person doesn't need to have a Skrill account. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, click on the subscription button. Don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section, and also if you have any challenge, drop it there. If you also need my help on anything, you can also drop it there. If you also need me to create videos particular to anything, you can also drop it in the comment section. So good and fine. The next thing we're going to be looking at is send. So click down here on send. Now to make use of this method, we are going to make use of international money transfer. So you click on international money transfer, and then you put in the amount of money you want to transfer. They will tell you that there's actually no fees, but be rest assured that Skrill has their fees. The whole fees has been factored into the exchange rates. So you can also choose, perhaps you want to buy cryptocurrency from somebody in Kenya. You can choose Kenyan shillings here if the country is available, and you can send to M-Pesa using this. So you come over here, click on your debit card and all that. Then the money arrives on the person's account. So you click on continue. They will ask you to put the person's phone number and all that, the account number that he's using. So you can see here, here's the person. I can easily pick on any particular person here and send to the person, whoever it is that is in Kenya. And then, or I can add somebody else by clicking on send to someone else. I will need to enter the person's credentials. So I will need to enter the person's name, his last name, and his phone number, and then purpose of remittance, and then whatever thing it is, I can write that down. And once I'm done, I'll click on continue. So the person is going to receive his money in a few minutes. Once he has done that, you can confirm the trade and release. For those of you who want to use your card on Skrill to purchase cryptocurrency. Now here you can see the existing contacts of those who money has been sent to, if it's a business, but for now that's not available. So you've seen how to do it. If you want to use a credit card, for debit card there's no fee. For credit card you'll be charged 1.99 as a fees. So the next thing I also want to show you in making use of Skrill is a crypto option on Skrill. Now Skrill also has an option for crypto. In this means you can actually use this to make money on Skrill. So let's say I have about $67 here. So one is that you can create alerts. BTC has been going up and down, currently on 20,000. So I can create an alert that, okay, please, when BTC drops down to $17,000, alert me. So I get an alert for that, and then I'm actually able to buy. I can also set recurring buy here, meaning that I fix a particular time. I want so let's click on this. So it says recurring orders let you set aside a part of your balance in crypto. Choose a coin. So with that, you just have a particular amount of money you want to be buying. You can see whether it's every month, every 1 year, every week, every 2 weeks, however it is, and you select the date that you want for it. So this is one of the ways you can use in making money, so you're on profit. And then every single time maybe you feel the price has gotten to where you want it to go and you want to sell off, your alerts are there to inform you. You just set your alert and then you know what to do with that. So that's that. So the next one we want to see here is conditional. So conditional orders allow you to never miss good opportunities. So let's see. So if I want to buy, I can tell you, okay, please, this is the amount I want to spend, maybe $25. Out of it, I can tell you whenever the price gets to maybe other price gets to 0.50 or something, you can see in USD the price gets to, this price is actually in USD. When the price reaches maybe 0.8 or something, I'm to receive 31 point this amount of USD. Now there's actually a small fee, and the fee of 1.79, so everything total. So once I click on create order, I'll be notified about this. So yeah, I'm either to buy at this price, or I can also create a sell. So if you click sell, it means you're trying to tell them, please, whenever the price gets to maybe $1 for ADA or something, now they have other coins there. You can choose any of the coins you want. So whenever the price gets to $1 or thereabout, you can tell them, please, if it's, let's say, $25, you can, so I'm to receive this. If the price reaches 1, that's the price, the amount I'm to receive. So you just fix this rate and then you go to bed to sleep. So you utilize the money that you have there. Now this is one of the ways you can actually make money by using this is one of the ways you can make money by using Skrill. Now, so I've taught you previously on how to do your deposit on Skrill, now the crypto and the send. So if you've never subscribed to my channel, click on the subscription button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. But also take note that if you have not yet